Bean Chaointe, the Irish word for keening woman. For centuries she held an important role within Irish funeral rites and communal mourning. Through the practice of a cuine, keening, she gave voice to grief through lament and ritual. More than a mourner, she was a guardian of remembrance, helping families and communities honour the dead while supporting the living through their grief. Keening was part of Irish tradition for centuries. Up until the 19th century, it was woven deeply into how people understood death, kinship, landscape, and the Gaelic Otherworld. The Bean Chaointe held a special place within this, standing at the threshold between worlds. The work of the keening woman was also to support the dead between worlds, placing them back into the wider story of their people. This reflects an older cyclical view of life, where death was not seen simply as an ending, but as part of the natural cycle of life, death, and continuity. The Bean Chaointe was a keeper of memory, carrying forward the enduring bonds between people, landscape, and the ancestors. Bean Chaointe, the Irish word for keening woman.